Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can set a channel in your Slack workspace on private really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started without any further ado. Head over to your Slack workspace, and inside your Slack workspace you will see a list of all associated channels listed below. So what you want to do guys to set the given channel on private is right click on it. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. Then select view channel details from that drop down menu. And here inside that window, switch from the About tab at the top to Settings here at the right hand side. And last but not least, make sure that you choose this option here at the bottom, Change to a Private Channel. Read through that disclaimer or information here really quickly. And if you're 100% sure to make that channel private, simply confirm by clicking on Change to Private here. And that's basically it. Now the channel will have a lock icon like here or symbol next to it, which indicates that the given channel has been set to private. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.